Hello, we have a new product from a bureau. Our NCN, our company, has been providing dash cam for automobile manufacturers, and now we have a brand new $10 model. It's called Bureau S1. Now our product is excellent in video recording. It has a crispy, clear images, and it even have a very low light mode. So with HDR, so at night, it captures the license plate and other surroundings very clearly. Also, we have a software embedded with the AI technology to restore license plate to more clear image. On the other side, we also have AI technology. We also use AI technology to blur face or license plate for privacy protection. That if you need, you can do it. Also, our one of our promising future is that we have a very low power mode that you can keep it on overnight or over 4 days. That other products cannot do that right now. So if you're worried about your vehicle, our product is one to get because it can safely guard your vehicle.